Hey there, fellow deal hunters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online shopping smoother. Today, we're diving into how to expand your Facebook Marketplace search radius in 2025. If you're frustrated with only seeing local listings and want to cast a wider net for better deals, this quick guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on the app or website. It's 2025 now, so everything's even more user-friendly with AI enhancements. Open the Facebook app on your phone or head to facebook.com on your browser. Once you're in, tap on the Marketplace icon. It's that little shop symbol, usually at the bottom of the app or in the left menu on desktop. Now, here's where the magic happens. Start a search by typing what you're looking for into the search bar, like vintage furniture or used electronics. After you hit search, look for the filters option. It's often represented by 3 dots or a funnel icon. Tap on that, and you'll see a bunch of settings to tweak. Scroll down until you find the location or distance section. This is key. By default, it might be set to a small radius, like 10 miles. To expand it, slide the radius bar or select a larger distance. Go up to 100 miles or even nationwide if available. Facebook's 2025 updates make this super intuitive, with suggestions based on your past searches. Don't forget to hit apply or save after making changes. Now, refresh your search results, and voila! You'll see a broader range of listings from sellers farther away. Pro tip: combine this with other filters like price range or category to narrow down exactly what you need without overwhelming yourself. One more thing: always double check for any regional restrictions, as some items might not ship. That's it for today's tutorial. Expanding your search radius can open up a world of opportunities, so give it a try and snag those hidden gems. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below on your best marketplace find. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.